Hi everyone, welcome back to Low Carb Lish. I'm Jacqueline. This is a channel where we make really delicious, simple, diabetic friendly foods and sometimes turn high carb foods into low carb foods so they are also diabetic friendly. Today we are going to be making a spicy summer slaw, and this is part 2 in the series of the 4th of July picnic foods that we're making to go along with the hamburgers and the hot dogs that people are cooking. And I'll link either here or here, I'm not sure which side, to the pizza recipe that we did yesterday. If you missed that, you really need to check it out. I call it my Amazing Grace Pizza, and it tastes just like pizzeria pizza. So today we're going to do a southern spicy slaw to go with your 4th of July menu, and it's easy, tasty, and colorful. So let's get started. Okay, so like I said, this slaw is super simple to make. We are going to be using half of the head of green cabbage, a quarter of the head of the purple cabbage, or the red cabbage, some people call it. And I like a rough, rustic cut, but you could absolutely put this into your food processor and zhuzh it up as small as you want it to be. We're also going to be adding a fourth of a orange bell pepper, 5 radishes diced, 1 plum tomato diced, and 1/2 of a jalapeno pepper that's been de-seeded and de-ribbed. And I do this because most of the heat is in the seeds and the ribs, but if you like that spicy business, you go right ahead because it'll just make it hotter. And then we've got 4 pieces of bacon chopped up, and we're going to mix it all up in my beautiful bowl here, and then we'll make the sauce and we'll be finished. Alright, so first of all, we're going to put our cabbage in the bowl. And then we're going to do our red cabbage in the bowl. Tomato. Radish. Bell pepper. And the jalapenos. And I probably should use a little spatula for that so I don't get it on my fingers and then touch my eye. Ow. And I've done that before, y'all. And then the bacon goes in. And we're just going to toss this. And then in just a minute, we're going to make the sauce for it. But you can see how beautiful and colorful it is. And it is so tasty. And I love all the crunch and coleslaw. And I love the extra flavors and everything that are added into it. And when you bite into those little jalapeno peppers, it is really good. Alright, so we're mixed up here. I'm going to set this off to the side. I'm going to pull everything out that you need to make the sauce to go on it. And before you know it, we'll be eating spicy slaw. Okay, y'all, so now we're getting ready to make the sauce for the spicy slaw, and it again is super simple and super fast. The first thing we're going to need here is 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Oh, I left a little bit, and you all know how I feel about that. Alright, and then we've got 1/4 cup of sour cream. I'm going to mix that in. And yes, y'all, I'm getting every bit of this goodness out of the bowl. And we've got 1/4 cup of sriracha sauce. And remember, we've already got the jalapeno peppers in there, so you're going to have the heat from the jalapeno peppers and then the heat from the sriracha as well. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of this keto simple syrup. And I want to tell you guys, I recently discovered this product, and I really like it. It is nothing but syrup made out of erythritol and monk fruit. And it is a game changer when it comes to making sauces and stuff. You can absolutely use your powdered sweeteners, but you're going to get that granulated taste sometimes. And this syrup completely takes care of that issue. And it is, I found mine on Amazon. I don't know if you can get it in the stores yet. I haven't been able to find it at the stores where I live, but I will leave a link down below in the description box after the recipe and the macros and everything, where you can find it on Amazon if you need to order it from there. It has 0 calories and 0 carbs. It comes in this bottle, and the bottle's plastic, and there are, let's see, there's 12 fluid ounces in this bottle, and it lasts for a long time unless you're using it in coffee for syrups and stuff like that, which I don't do. I just basically use it for different cooking applications and for sauces. So we've got the sauce ready for the coleslaw now, and I'm gonna bring the big bowl back and we'll get it all put together. Alright guys, so we've got our sauce made, and we're just gonna add this into the bowl. And like I said, I just mixed everything up with that simple syrup, and it makes a huge difference in the way that the sauce comes together with no graininess. It's super smooth, and it adds just enough sweetness to go with the heat. If you don't like sweetness with your spicy, you can absolutely leave the simple syrup or the monk fruit out. I really enjoy it, so I add it to mine. So also, I'm gonna salt and pepper everything. And this is to taste. I like a little bit of pepper, some people don't, but a lot of people do, and especially with a spicy slaw, it's good. And I just salt and pepper to taste. And same thing, I'm putting a little bit of dill in here. And the dill just adds a nice little extra kick to it. And it pairs well with the bacon and all the other flavors that are in this slaw. And I've yet to serve this to anybody that didn't like it. So. And also the dill is to taste. It's also optional if you don't care for dill. And we're just going to mix it up and get all of this beautiful sauce mixed up in with our cabbage and everything. And then we'll plate it up and we'll have some of it. And this is really a great side dish if you're having hot dogs or hamburgers or barbecue or whatever. It's really good. And also if you serve the black soybeans as beans for the 4th of July or anytime you're having a picnic really, slaw and beans are really good together, that cold crunch, and it's got the bacon and all the stuff in it too, so it just pairs very nicely with the black soybeans as well. And it, you know, it's a nice cool dish on a hot summer day. And that's it, guys. Super simple, super delicious. Spicy summer slaw. Okay guys, so let's dig into this. This is really a good side dish. You get the coolness from the cabbage and the peppers and all the stuff that's in it. Bacon's really tasty, and that part of it's cool, and then the pepper hits your mouth and you get the little bit of heat. And you guys know I can't take like a lot of heat, so it's just enough of a kick to be nice for me. And it's really a good side dish to have with the other parts of your picnic food. So let's have a taste. It's really good. So if you enjoy slaw, this is a great side dish to have when you're making any kind of picnic food, really, whether it's hamburgers, hot dogs, barbecue, steak, whatever. This makes a really good side dish. So I hope you'll try it. I hope you like it. If you do try it, leave a comment down for me below and let me know how you liked it. And if you make any kind of alterations to it, I'd love to hear that too, because I always love to hear when people take one of my recipes and they tweak it a little bit and make it their own. So if you do that, let me know, because I'm always open to trying new things too. If you like the content that you're finding here and the recipes and everything, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. If you subscribe, hit that little notification bell and you'll never miss another recipe that I have. Also, if you could hit that little like button for me, it really does help people that are looking for help find my channel, and other people that are looking to lower their glucose and reverse type 2 diabetes, and I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a fabulous 4th of July. We've still got 2 more recipes in this series before 4th of July gets here, and I hope that you'll come back and check them out and add to your beautiful picnic. Have a great day. See you next time.